Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you the quick steps you need to follow to sign in to your Revolut account on a new device. If you switch phones or you're using a new tablet, this simple process will help you access your account safely in just a few minutes. Step 1. Download the Revolut app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and download the official Revolut app. Make sure it's the real version by checking the developer name and reviews. Step 2. Enter your phone number. Open the app and type the phone number connected to your Revolut account. Revolut will use this to locate your profile and begin the login process. Step 3. Verify your identity. Revolut will send you a 6-digit code via SMS. Enter the code to confirm it's really you. If you changed your phone number, use the I changed my number option to recover your account. Step 4. Complete security confirmation. Depending on your settings, Revolut may ask you to enter your passcode, confirm your email, or verify your identity with a quick selfie check. Follow the prompts to unlock your account on the new device. Step 5. Approve login from your old device, if required. For extra security, Revolut may send a notification to your old phone asking you to approve the new login. Simply tap Approve, and your new device will be authorized instantly. Step 6. Access your account. Once verification is complete, you'll be logged in. Your cards, balances, and transactions will all sync automatically. For more quick and helpful digital banking tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.